Hello, my slideshow today is on New Balance, and I chose New Balance because after much of our discussions throughout this semester, it seems I've been looking a lot for items made in the United States, and after looking for a tennis shoe, I realized that New Balance was the only one that manufactured some of those shoes in the United States. So this is why I chose New Balance. First, I'll just go over a little bit of history. The heritage dates back to 1906, and it was known as the New Balance Arch Company, and it was then owned by William Riley. In 1956, it was bought by Paul Kidd, and they manufactured orthopedic shoes and arch supports. Throughout the 50s and 60s, runners turned to New Balance for custom-made shoes. The company was purchased by the current owner, James Davis, in 1972 on Boston Marathon Day. And they made the first athletic shoe in a wide range of sizes and widths called the Trackster. And New Balance is a privately owned company. Some of their principles are superior customer service and a strong commitment to American workers in domestic manufacturing. They have a leadership in product fit and technological innovation, and New Balance works with the retailers and calls them partners. They try to really make a good partnership with the retailers. As far as community goes, they sponsor numerous charitable organizations and events worldwide. And New Balance and Westin Hotels and Resorts join forces to help travelers stay healthy and fit on the road. They focus in the prevention of childhood obesity with the New Balance Foundation. And they are working on a sneaker, the sneaker upper, made from recycled plastic, which is going to be called New Sky. Some of the products that they have, of course, footwear, performance sport and active casual bags, running accessories, sunwear and optical frames, technology socks, sports monitors, active apparel, and recently that I discovered uniform scrubs. As you can see, their sales in the U.S. In 2000 was $750 million, and in 2009 it was $1.072 billion, and worldwide sales in 2000 was $1.1 billion, and 2009 was $1.65 billion, and the products are sold in 120 countries and 6 continents. They really have a commitment to U.S. workers. They have 5 factories in the United States. 25% of New Balance shoes are manufactured in the United States, and that's approximately 7 million pairs of shoes. They're produced using American and imported materials. If domestic value is at least 70%, the shoe is labeled made in the USA. If it falls below 70%, the label references domestic and imported material. Globally, New Balance employs nearly 2,800 people around the globe and sells products in 120 countries. Their mission is demonstrating responsible leadership. We build global brands that athletes are proud to wear, associates are proud to create, and communities are proud to host. They also have a supplier code of conduct, and that is to do business only with those manufacturers and suppliers that share its commitment to fair and safe labor practices. They have, at Luken, they have a lot of employment benefits, and of course they have medical and dental, flexible spending, vacation and paid time off, flexible work time, on-site wellness program, which seems to be a very big thing right now, 401k, holidays, and college savings plans. They have a lot of training, and they have on-site seminars, program mentoring, and tuition reimbursement. Their code of conduct, they have compliance with local laws. They have conduct concerning child labor, and that is no person shall be employed at any age younger than 16 or 15 where the governing laws allow such employment. Facilities are required to maintain official documentation allowing for verification of each worker's date of birth, and all facilities must be in compliance with all local regulations regarding the employment of young workers. Of course, they have harassment and abuse, non-discrimination, wage and benefits, work hours, overtime, freedom of association, forced labor, environmental conditions, and subcontractors. This is all part of their supplier code of conduct. Some of the management issues I think that they will have to deal with is to maintain marketing based on superior performance-driven products, maintain good customer service with customers and retailers, accurate demand forecasting, and market more on manufacturing in the U.S. You really don't see a lot of advertising campaigns or marketing on New Balance, and they don't use big celebrities for their marketing. So I think, especially now, it would be good for them to market more based on their manufacturing in the United States. And of course, you know, they've got to keep with all the discrimination. They've got, you know, to make sure they're compliant with all those things. But it seems as if they've got a lot of good things going as far as employment goes with New Balance. They've got all their codes of conduct and those type things in place, and management teams. So I think they're on the right track. And I just sort of threw this in here. I thought it was one of their advertisements, and I thought it was a good way to end. And it states, "If we can make great athletic shoes in America, why can't our competition?" And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.